nice thing about sharing content is it covers all parts of the investment journey or the buyer's journey. It helps to create, so sharing content on LinkedIn helps to create greater awareness about you individually, but also your company. It helps to feed information when an investor is considering either you or just investing in general. And then it further helps you to engage with those investors one-on-one to build relationships so that when they have buying questions and purchasing questions, they'll come to you as opposed to your competitor. So there's a triple bang for your buck when you share content on LinkedIn. If you're already creating content anyway, right? Whether you're writing blog posts, you're being interviewed and mentioned in Bloomberg, you're creating videos, for new investors. That kind of content can be shared on LinkedIn, seen by your network and by your network's network, and that builds visibility, it builds credibility, but also if people are engaging on that content, it gives you an opportunity to reach back out to them. So one of the things that we do is, and again, this is a good task for an assistant. This is not something you necessarily have to do every day. But when you personally share content on your page, keeping an eye on that engagement, the likes, and most importantly, the comments, because that gives you an opportunity to reach out and start a conversation with prospective investors, not everyone, but prospective investors, especially if they ask buying questions.